Yeah, I think there are a couple of sort of third rails of bioethics within our field. One of them is what you'd call germline gene therapy or germline genome editing, where you're actually editing or changing or adding to the DNA that gets passed along to the next generation. So right now with the gene therapy, to be able to get treated with that therapy, we consent. There's informed consent. A doctor tells somebody who's going to treat, they're going to treat, or else tells the parents of the kid who is going to get treated, what the risks and the benefits are, and there's a decision there. If you start doing germline editing, that's, kind of experimentation without consent, and then you're changing the genetic composition of the human species. And the field wrestles with that a little bit, or a lot. So currently nobody is talking about gene therapy for germline. Another kind of gray area is how do you differentiate between performance, therapy or treatment or repair versus performance enhancement. And, everybody would be safe if you asked, should we treat somebody with Parkinson's? There's, a loss of quality of life, and we'd like to get them back to, what their normal was before they began to suffer from the symptoms. Then you start asking like, well, what if I want, green eyes instead of blue eyes? And what if I want to be stronger? And I have had people approach me asking if they can obtain a gene therapy to be anabolic, to build their muscle. And, the field is not comfortable with performance enhancement. We are comfortable with performance rescue. So those are, kind of the two bioethically laden areas that I think about. And by and large, the field has developed a really strong consensus that those are two lines that we're not willing to cross right now.